I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30. I make my bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my body with a towel. I dry my body with a towel. I dry my body with a towel. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink a glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I say goodbye to my parents. I say goodbye to my parents. I say goodbye to my parents. I walk to school. I walk to school. I walk to school. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. I say hello to my teacher. I say hello to my teacher. I say hello to my teacher. I learn new things at school. I learn new things at school. I learn new things at school. I read books in class. I read books in class. I read books in class. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I play with my friends at recess. I play with my friends at recess. I play with my friends at recess. I eat lunch at school. I eat lunch at school. I eat lunch at school. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I answer questions in class. I answer questions in class. I answer questions in class. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. I go home after school. I go home after school. I go home after school. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I eat a snack. I eat a snack. I eat a snack. I watch cartoons. I watch cartoons. I watch cartoons. I do my homework. I do my homework. I do my homework. I read a storybook. I read a storybook. I read a storybook. I help my parents with chores. I help my parents with chores. I help my parents with chores. I play games on my tablet. I play games on my tablet. I play games on my tablet. I ride my bicycle. I ride my bicycle. I ride my bicycle. I visit my grandparents. I visit my grandparents. I visit my grandparents. I take a nap. I take a nap. I take a nap. I go to the park. I go to the park. I go to the park. I play soccer with my friends. I play soccer with my friends. I play soccer with my friends. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I talk with my parents. I talk with my parents. I talk with my parents. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a shower. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I read a bedtime story. I read a bedtime story. I read a bedtime story. I say goodnight to my family. I say goodnight to my family. I say goodnight to my family. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. I lie down in bed. I lie down in bed. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.